Here is a short teaser video of Club Med Turks and Caicos. This is definitely one of my favorite Club Meds, not because of the accommodation, but because of the food, the people, and the location. You can do so many activities, or just look at that beach, just sit back, relax, and soak up the sun. We have the welcoming lobby, which is very spacious and airy. By the main bar, we have a pool table, a drinking fountain where you can bring your own tumbler and fill it with fresh water. A little bit of ping pong or table tennis, anyone? There's also a full gym for anybody who is inclined to work out during their vacation. Friendly bar staff right here in the main bar. Next stop, we have the dining room area. Here you can see lots of outdoor seating and lots of great food inside. Have great bread selection. Don't forget to try the white chocolate bread. Delicious. Great cheese selection as well. One thing I have to say about the desserts, if you see something you like, have it, because they may not bring it back the next day. Pizza, really delicious. More outdoor seating. One of the lunches, you have poolside barbecue. Hey, chef de village. Go Team Perez. Now let's take a tour of the lodging. This is the backside of Club Med. beautiful palm trees and plants everywhere to give that real good paradise feel. The far left-hand side of the resort, they have a meeting room or conference center. Not sure how productive the meetings will be if you got views like this. Okay, next up we have the Water Sports Center, which is next to the Sharkies Club and on the left of the main hall. Here you can do sailing, kayaking, paddleboarding, and even volleyball. What I've been told is they've got really good tennis courts and instructors at this club, man. The Water Center boasts both snorkeling as well as scuba diving for those of you who want to go a little deeper. They have snorkeling tours in the morning and in the afternoon, and they don't go to the same place twice. If you're lucky, you'll see Jojo just off the pier swimming with his family and friends. There's also trapeze if you want to try your luck and not scared of heights. No thank you for me. Let's go back to the sailing center where I was every single day. They probably have the largest fleet on Grace Bay. They have 10 boats that they had sailing, and here we have one of the Hobie Cat 16s with John on the trapeze. Now, as you enter to the right of the sports center, you'll notice all these palm trees. Can you visualize hammocks? Wouldn't that be a sight? I guess a bit of a tradition is to put your name on shells and put it in the flower bedding. The pool is located in the center of the resort. For those of you who would like to sit back and relax and enjoy a poolside sunshine. Pool volleyball, anybody? Next stop is Sharkies, located on the left side of the resort. Here they've got great food and the best grilled cheese sandwich I've ever had in my life. The smoothies are great. My favorite was the peanut butter shake. Now let's check out some of the beach.
Hello, would you like a little fruit? Welcome to Club Man.
Yes, please.
It's a beautiful day. With the sun out.
Merci, thank you.
Et voilà.
Cheers.
And yes, entertained every night. I can never get sick of the sunset. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.